Hi Scentsy friends, today we wanted to share with you a great limited time offer from Scentsy, new to our range, and this is called Squeeze the Day Clean Bundle. Don't put it off, people. I know we put off cleaning. It's such a tedious task and something that we all put off, let's face it.
Pucker up, lemon lovers.
And
That's what it says.
this one, it does. It says pucker up.
Oh, you know what I like? Forever tart and true.
Oh.
That's what it says there.
Very nice. If you haven't tried it before, get ready to swoon. Squeeze the day with pure lemon love with a touch of vanilla sweetness. Now, we've got 3 products in this range.
Is this a pack or are these individual?
It's in a pack.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
so get
it's in a pack.
Okay, get 3.
So you get 3 products.
2 squirties and a squeezy.
Yes.
Squirty number 1.
Squirty number 1. Yeah.
Bathroom cleaner.
Absolutely.
Do you know what bathroom cleaner is good for? It is really good for a citric acid-based cleaning spray specifically formulated to easily remove soap scum, grime, and bathroom. Grime in your bathroom.
Can use it on sealed tiles,
Tubs,
and bathroom fixtures. Wow, that is...
What flavour is it? What scent is it? Squeeze the day.
It's lemon.
Oh, yeah. So
lemon and vanilla.
Everywhere. Yeah.
Lemon. There's lemon everywhere in this one. Okay, and then we also have a counter cleaner in the range.
Now, see, we use this a lot.
Oh, gosh. We use a lot of counter cleaner.
You know the great thing about the multi-purpose counter cleaner? Mm-hmm. That it leaves a protective film on your cleaning, on your surfaces.
It does, and that repels dirt.
Whoa.
So when you're cleaning... Yeah, when you're cleaning, you can feel like you're going to clean less in the future. That's the hope. That's the vision. That's what you want with this particular product.
But only on sealed
Counter
surfaces.
clean. Only on sealed surfaces.
And it gets stronger with regular use.
Yes, absolutely. And look, I use this in our clinics at work. It's beautiful on the countertops and things like that. We use it on bench. We use this all over the house.
We wash our children with it.
We definitely use it on the walls as well. It's really, really strong. It gets marks off. The kids touch everything.
Non-porous granite, quartz, tiles, concrete, and countertops.
Absolutely.
And
so
children.
We are massive fans of the counter clean.
I know a Scentsy person. That's where I get mine from.
We are the Scentsy people.
Oh, right, yeah. We're the Scentsy people.
We're the Scentsy people.
Okay.
Anyway, and then this one here is called dish soap.
And what is that for?
And that's for basically your washing up liquid.
Do you reckon that's a concentrated high-performance dishwashing liquid? I reckon that creates plenty of suds while easily removing food particles, staying gentle on the skin, and...
imparting fresh Scentsy fragrance. Well, let's give it a sniff. I want to absolutely smell this one.
Why when you open... Yeah, okay.
I'm going to smell this one because...
It looks like it's about 473 mils.
I'd say, yeah, at a glance. Okay.
Oh, you can use it on dishes, ceramic, and kitchen appliances.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Let me smell it.
Smells.
Oh, it smells like limoncello. Oh, you want to have some limoncello?
It does smell a bit like limoncello.
Let's have a limoncello shot.
Oh, it's really beautiful.
Remember when we went to Italy
with Scentsy?
With Scentsy, and we went to the limoncello factory because of Scentsy.
We did.
And we smelt lemons.
Yeah.
Because of Scentsy.
We did.
It's like bringing it all back to me.
It is. It's bringing it all back to me too.
Because with Scentsy.
And we have like a beautiful little dish with a lemon on it that we bought over just there on
Can you grab it?
Oh yeah, it's so cute.
I already did it. It's like I was back in a flash.
Okay. So this is a gorgeous little dish that we got in Italy, given to us by Scentsy. We didn't purchase this. They gave it to us in one of our room drops.
Yeah. We went to Italy because of Scentsy.
Yeah.
And smelt lemon anyway. We've got to be sidetracked. So you get all 1, 2, 3.
Yes, you get all 1, 2, 3 in this. It's absolutely fantastic range.
The scent just takes you on a journey. Just like it just took us on a journey.
It takes you on a journey.
Just took us
That's
on a journey.
absolutely right.
Bathroom cleaner.
Counter cleaner and dish soap. So all 3 are in this great...
You could clean your entire house.
You could definitely clean your entire house. And you could actually enjoy it.
And they come in a pack, yeah?
Yes.
Okay,
Comes in a pack. So it's a limited time offer from Scentsy. Have a look for this one on our Scentsy website.
Squeeze the day.
See you later.